y'all, it's your girl Miss Madness back with another vlog. In this vlog, we're doing another Lego set. Me and my mans. We're gonna do Simba. Oh my goodness.
Lion King.
Lion King. Make sure this focus. I said the right name right before they come for me.
Simba?
Yeah, Simba. So we're doing a Simba Lego. I did originally get this for him, but I feel like he knew in his spirit that I wanted to build this with him. So I thought this would be a really cute project. So y'all gonna build with us. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I did get a lot of love off of that, so I think y'all need another one. So he did enjoy the other one, by the way. So that's why I'm like,
this one's gonna be fun.
This one's definitely gonna be fun.
Animal this time.
And it's an animal, and it's gonna be a bigger size too. And then my plan is to leave it here, babe, so you can just look at it when you come and go from here.
Alright.
So yeah, let's get started. You wanna do the honors this time?
No, I'm gonna let you do it.
You gonna let me do it? Okay, I bet. Y'all, have y'all ever seen a king size Sour Patch Kid? I haven't. I had to get it. And then the watermelon kind too. Sure. Alright, come on. Come. 3, 2, 1. Good. Right. Okay. Kind of a thick book.
It is 222 pieces this time.
I know. That's crazy.
How much was the last one?
I thought the last one had to have more.
I got the building, so I can take.
Let's see how this looks, okay? Let's get right into it. So this is the book. Y'all already know it comes with a book. And we gotta look into it. So step one. It's telling us to pour it all out, babe. So, with that being said, we're gonna pour all of one out. This boy done wasted all that sugar. That's a special tool that we don't save for later, y'all. Let's pour. Okay.
Yeah, so feel weird from outside.
Sorry, y'all. The plastic got in my mouth. Alright, y'all. So, first piece, babe.
Alright. This builder.
So 1 and then 2. We looking for this little thing right here. Okay. And then 2 times 2. Oh, you already seen it. Okay, bet. Then number 3 is gonna be those little squares. Let me get that. Let me get that. And just times 1. All right. Next page. That. And then a little square right here. There you go. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna yap real quick. So I don't know. I'm kind of liking this one because I feel like it's straightforward. The Nutcracker one for me, I was a little slow, but I think I'm catching on to this one pretty quick. So I'm liking it. Are we on step 5? Damn.
I'm on 6.
I can't with this man. I can't. Well, at least he likes it. I mean, Lego was never Naya's thing until now.
She bought it and she was like, baby, we gotta do this for YouTube. She got some more Sour Patch Kids.
Ain't nothing but a cornerstone run. King size at that, baby. Cha-ching! Alright. Okay. I guess. Alright, baby. You taking the next 2 pages.
Oh, this is, this.
What you see?
Right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Definitely. I think it's his stomach.
Yeah, because of this part.
He keeps snapping with this damn Lego. Okay. I do the yap, he does the Lego.
Mm-hmm.
I'm playing. I'm gonna go next though. Because he is snapping too hard right now.
Mm-hmm. I'm just trying to be like you real quick.
Okay. I knew there was something on my lip. Dang, I should have bought the other two. Well, that one Lego your mama got us. All good. We can do that at the crib.
The plant?
Yeah.
I don't think you was gonna put that in your bag.
You thought I was?
Mm-mm.
Lying out of Legos is crazy. This man funny. He's gonna skip a step.
That's what I'm trying to get. It's hard, bro. Why did we ain't have this in school?
You would have did it in school, or you would have dissed it in school.
I would have built that bitch and threw it at somebody across the class.
Bro, you was funny. Oh, babe, let me see this. I feel like we need it for some reason.
And then you put. Here.
You know what? Whatever, bro. Whatever. I think you secretly an architect. Is this what I could have to get you to maybe calm down? I feel like this is something like you would build something and just be chill. Like if something made you mad, you'll come in here and build something
and then
so
I'll
cool.
try to break this bitch on somebody. After this, I'm gonna throw this bitch on the floor. I'm just kidding, guys. We just joke. Just imagine other ones that have way more pieces.
And you talking about let's do it. I mean, if we could get through this, babe, with the help of me being here to yap and support and you to be the builder, I think we could do it.
Honestly, I would rather build like a Lego city though. No cap.
You want to do a Lego city? I've seen plenty of those, but you know how many pieces those Lego cities have? I don't think you know. They have a lot.
I could save them up, but then when we have our kids, they could break it.
Break it? I'm gonna break that behind.
How we looking? We do.
Boy, he got the face down pack.
No pro, baby. You should know this. You should know this. You good.
I feel like if I walked away, went to the store, he would be done with it.
You know, quick, I'll be done with this.
Okay.
Yeah, all the work you did.
Okay, this is okay. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Whoa! Oh, is you cool?
Oh, you cool?
I'm not. This is cool.
The Rocky.
How did you do the tail? I missed that whole part, y'all. I'm looking hard as heck, and then he just attached it. I look at it, cause like, bruh.
Okay. If I was gonna do it, I want to do it.
Hey! I did that, y'all. All right, babe. Do the honors. I know you want to do it. Come on. Come on, babe. Do it.
Pause?
I know you want to do it.
I'll do the pause because it looks complicated. Okay, so I guess we're gonna need 2 paws.
It's the best day ever.
Alright, SpongeBob. I'm gonna have to be schoolwork today. Number 4, y'all.
I like that, yeah. Alright. Let's get him. Sorry, I can't see the book there.
Oh, there's a ladybug.
Ooh, yeah, he's gonna have flowers.
There's a couple ladybugs.
Yeah.
We really made
his garden.
a Lego.
So this is the finished product. Look at him. So cute. Oh, you got a ladybug on his back? That's cute. Yeah, this is hard. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Boy, if you don't sit. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this Lego building. More to come, more to come. I cannot believe this literally took us like almost an hour. That's crazy. But I'll see y'all in my next video.
I look too good.